Alright guys, so what we're going to do, scrub blades, scrubblade.com. Best wipers on the planet, I'm telling you right now. Rain, Florida, anywhere there's heavy rain, snow, dirt, all you four-wheel drive guys like to be out in that mud, getting them trucks dirty, scrubblade.com. I'm going to show you how to put them on real quick, man. These things are super easy. Anytime, if y'all know anything about wiper blades, man, sometimes these things can be an absolute pain in the rear. They made it very easy here, to be honest with you. I did the other side just a few seconds. These GMs can be difficult, really difficult. These are the OEM ones, stock ones. Push that little button there and it slides out. So I'll take the old one off. Come over here, I'll show you on this one here how to install these real quick. Personally, I like to lay the old one down so you can see which way the thing's going. Man, I tell you, sometimes these things can be an absolute pain in the butt. But not these scrub blades, man. These things they provide all the adapters with the blade replacements, instructions. I just want to show you how easy these things are to take apart. So like, now this one here is for a different style hookup. You know what I mean? So, but you figure out, man, how do you get that thing off? Because this is the one that goes with the GM. It's got that little button right there, right? So all you do is you flip it over, these two tabs here, squeeze them together, pop it off, just that easy. Lay that to the side. Then you take this base mounting plate here, and it snaps right in there. Here to snap. Then you take this button, and it snaps on right there, right there. Hold on, make sure I got it right. There you go. Heard the snap? Now watch this. By the way, scrub blade, scrubblade.com. Bubba Low Life. And it literally just slides right in. Of course, it's not the blades, it's just that easy. You heard it click. Scrub blades, scrubblades.com. Check them out, man. These things are bad to the bone. Look at that. Double blades. Look at that thing, man. Those things are badass. Check them out, guys. Easy install, couple seconds. You can have your ride dialed in. And if you want to color match them, which we're going to do on the phase, we got some red ones here. Red blades, red truck. Boom. What's better than that? Nothing. Scrubblade.com. Bubba Low Life. Use it at checkout. See y'all.